7/9/2012, 9:58 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. What do we have? One of the most massive intraday morning put buying than we've seen in a long, long time at 16,270 contracts. Yes, it's a monthly SPX S&P 500 index. That's this right here. It's at 1348. That is 50 handles below the market. Right here, MMTs, I've got this wonderful 1300 721 put chart down here. And the reason why, let me show you another wonderful thing, MMT. They were quite high in price during this volatility, as they were. Here are 775 in the short term that it can come up to, but if these markets do want to sell off, they're buying the monthly because earnings season starts today. Okay? And it's 9:59 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. This is the most deflated price that we feel that we need to have at the discounted price, because if these markets sell off, well, these go way up in value. You can see how high they were. I mean, these things were $40 a contract right up here on the peak on 6/4 when we called the bottom in the market. These were peaking at $60 a contract. And that's probably when we were negative 7/8 delta in our yearly S&P 500 formula down at the 20 or 1268 handle. 1268 in the S&P when we were down there calling the bottom on that time frame. And you can see they've never been this low. They have got to $1.95, but the risk for me to be on this side of the market down here in case there is a big sell-off with the earnings, everybody right now is going to try to say, hey, growth is good, and hey, no, it's not good, man. And the volatility plays both ways. They took all the volatility out. They took all the risk out. No one's got a better price. Massive put buying, 721, 1300 put. MMTs, we're out to buy it at $1.20 below the market. We're out to buy it wholesale more than anyone else. It's got $2.40 bid and $3.40 ask. Once again, 10 o'clock a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 7/9/2012, 1 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. Lunch hour is over in New York right now. 350 was the high. We're going to buy wholesale, discounted to risk. People are buying that 1300 put in massive volume of 16,270.